First of all, I would like to wish Happy Teachers' Day to all the respected teachers of my school. On this occasion of Teachers' Day celebration, I would like to recite my two poems dedicated to the hard work and care of the teachers in this pandemic towards us. My first poem's topic is The Great Teachers. Hard days are these, difficult to beat. Teachers are with me, every day teaching with peace. Lockdown is there, but our teachers are here. With the whole class, we are enjoying sitting together and having learning. Forgetting all the struggles and learning new things. With mathematics puzzles, we are learning numberings. This is the time to spend time with family, but teachers are giving their time to us happily. I am blessed to have them. Their knowledge has a great strength. A salute to all the teachers. Thank you for teaching us in this situation. Thank you for being our leaders. Proud to be an Indian. Now, my next poem's topic is Teachers are God. Teachers are God with a chalk and blackboard, teaching their students at home. Now, no one is alone. Having classes before in a room, having fun and learning now on Zoom. With maths, English, science and Hindi, all concepts are now so easy. We can't come to school, but school has came now in our room. Physical exercises are keeping us fit. Competitions and studies are now like this. Exams were before with pen and paper. We went to school with sharpener and eraser, now giving them on screen wallpaper. Teachers are great savior. No words can describe their hard work. They are there for us 24 hours. Thank you teachers for your love, care and motivation. You are the God's great creation. Thank you and have a nice day.